There are hundreds of text-to-video AI tools out there, but this one is my favorite because it creates engaging YouTube videos with just the push of a button. Let's create one in less than 30 seconds.
All right, let's try it.
What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'?
First, go to InVideo.io. Then give InVideo the topic of the video you want created. For me, I'm gonna put down create a YouTube short about the smartest ways people are using AI to make their lives easier. Make it witty and use a female voiceover with a southern accent. Then in a few seconds, a video will be created. You can then edit the video on the spot by telling InVideo's AI what you want added to the video or changed. For example, we can tell it to add subtitles to the video, change the voiceover to a male British voice, or to add an image of a city in the video. And if anything needs adjusting, you can just use their manual editor and adjust something yourself. You get started with InVideo AI for free, but if you're serious about video creation and want to publish videos without a watermark, which I highly recommend, you can upgrade to their paid plan, which starts as low as $20 a month. There are hundreds of text-to-video AI.
All right, let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's do what he said. Let's do exactly what he said. We're not going change it up too much. We gonna see what he said. So let's go back to what he said. Let's
InVideo.io. Then give InVideo the topic of the video. Create a YouTube short about the smart.
Here we go. Create a YouTube short about the smartest ways people are using AI. Let's do that. Let's go. Let's not even create a YouTube short. Let's do a YouTube video. We on YouTube. So create a YouTube video about the top AI tools in 2023. Use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, 11 Labs, and let's say even CapCut. CapCut is low key dope, right? Use a Hispanic female voice. If I can spell. Did I spell that wrong? I did. I didn't spell that wrong. But Hispanic female voice with a New York accent. You feel me? Boom. Let's see what it does. I'm gonna generate. Let's see what it does in real life. We testing things out in real life. They said this is what it does. Shout out to, who's this guy? Zeta? Zeta. It's preparing. It's done analyzing. Support for Spanish is coming soon. Falling back to English. Oh, that's really dope. That's really dope. I didn't want it to be in Spanish, but the fact that they thought about it, that's pretty cool. So, oh, here we go. It says audience, tech enthusiasts. Oh, so you could pick who your audience is. I'm gonna say tech enthusiasts. The look and feel, minimalist, modern, professional, or crisp. I'm gonna go with crisp. Platform, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook. Let's do YouTube. All right, it's waiting. So this will show how good some of these text to video is. So from a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think this is gonna do? What do you think it's gonna do? Scale 1 to 10. Like, yo, I think this is gonna be a 6. I think this is gonna be a 5. Nah, I think this is gonna be a 2. Give me some numbers. What are we thinking that it's gonna be doing? 10, like 5 is taking forever. Generate planning video scenes. Well, while we wait, we'll hold on. The power of AI tools. Limitations of AI tools. This is pretty dope. 11%. The future of AI tools. So we got someone, hold on. We got 8. Come on. Got 8. What y'all thinking? From 1 to 10, what you think this is gonna do? L says it's a 7. L says it's a 7. Ooh, botanical chef is like, nah, I'm gonna give it a 5. I'm gonna give it a 5 already. I don't think I'll be impressed. I think I'll be okay. Like it has potential. Like it has potential, people. I'm not mad at that. Let's see what it does. Quick plug. If I've added any kind of value, any kind of value, the only thing I ask for you to do is subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to the channel. Now let's get to the next part. All right, let's see what it does. Is it gonna play? What we doing? Is it gonna play? Not for us to stay this whole time and it doesn't play. Let's get 1080. What are we doing? Does it not want to play? Maybe I'm impatient. Maybe I gotta wait. You gotta wait? It's doing something. I don't know what it's doing. See, okay, it's doing, all right. Play. You don't want to play? You just want, all right, I'm already giving it a 4. I'm already giving it a 4. What's happening? It looks like it has potential.
Artificial intelligence tools are as commonplace as smartphones.
First off, didn't I say a female, bare minimum? You know what I mean? Didn't I say a female?
Intelligence tools are as commonplace as smartphones. A world where tasks that once required human brain power and hours of labor can now be completed in mere seconds. Well, welcome to 2023, where this is our reality. Consider this. AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, 11 Labs, and CapCut are reshaping the way we interact with technology, and in turn, the world around us. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a language.
Hold on. That's impressive. Botanical chef. I'm sorry. That's a little impressive. They said ChatGPT and they found images of ChatGPT. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I don't like the voice they gave me. I'm kind of liking the storyline it's doing, but let's keep watching. Let's keep watching.
Language model that uses machine learning to engage in human-like text conversations. It accurately predicts and generates text based on the context of the conversation. It's like having a virtual assistant that not only understands you but also responds intelligently. But unlike a human assistant, ChatGPT is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Then we have Midjourney, a user experience-focused AI tool. This tool analyzes user behavior and suggests improvements to enhance the user experience. It's like a silent observer, always watching, always learning, and always improving.
That's a lie. That's a lie. That's a lie. Midjourney is a graphic situation. That's a lie.
It's a game changer in the world of digital marketing, where understanding user behavior is the key to success.
What?
On the other hand, 11 Labs is making waves in the field of scientific research.
What?
This AI tool uses machine learning to analyze vast amounts of scientific data, spotting patterns and making connections that might take human researchers years to discover.
That is a lie. 11 Labs allows you to clone your voice and use other AI voices. Yeah, okay, Botanical Chef was right. Okay, it's a 3. It's a 3. Let's continue.
It's like having a superpowered research assistant. And last but not least, there's CapCut. This AI tool is revolutionizing video editing by using machine learning algorithms to automatically edit and enhance videos.
Okay, so out of 4, it was right about 2 things. Out of 4, 2. We've been saying for a while, AI has potential.
It's like having a professional video editor right in your pocket. While these AI tools may seem different, they share a common thread. They all leverage the power of machine learning to automate tasks, streamline processes, and improve outcomes.
What in the
They're not
happening?
just tools, they're virtual partners.
That's what it
helping
come
us
up with?
navigate a rapidly changing digital landscape. However, despite their benefits, these AI tools also have
Hide
their
your kids.
limitations. For instance, while ChatGPT can converse like a human, it doesn't understand emotions. Midjourney, while excellent at analyzing user behavior, can't predict future trends.
That's not what
11
Midjourney
Labs,
does.
while great at finding patterns in data, can't interpret the meaning behind those patterns. And CapCut, while impressive in editing videos, can't capture the artistic vision of a human editor. But remember, these tools are not here to replace us. They're here to assist us, to enhance our abilities, and to give us more time to do what we humans do best: to create, to innovate, and to dream. In conclusion, AI tools like
this voice
ChatGPT,
that,
Midjourney, 11 Labs, and CapCut
telling
are
me
transforming the way we live and
that
work.
I'm so engaged
They're
with.
powerful, they're efficient,
sure what's
and they're
happening.
here to stay. But they're not perfect.
It's not
They have their
perfect.
strengths and their weaknesses, and that's okay.
It's alright.
Because at the end of the day, they're just tools. It's how
just
we
tools.
use them that truly matters. So,
matters.
welcome to the age of AI, where the only limit is our imagination. And remember, the future is not something that happens to us. It's something we create together.
Okay, let's have this honest conversation. Can we have this honest conversation? Can we do this? First and foremost, let me get what y'all thinking about this. 1 to 10. I don't like this Latina voice. Oh my God, I don't like this Latina voice. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Let me get this photo. Let's have this honest conversation. You know what I mean? Botanical Chef already coming at me. There's your female voice. Get out of here. That was not a female voice. What is wrong? So is that a male voice? Yes, Mary. Yes, it was a male voice. Okay. I'm gonna have weird dreams. Okay, let's have an honest conversation. So, first and foremost, no, it didn't get the voice right. No, some of the information wasn't right. However, let's look at the positive. The video, besides the AI female situation, that was weird. Actually, yeah, that was weird. Hopefully you didn't have your kids around, but or you covered their eyes. Either or. Hi, babies. But anyways, even though it wasn't the voice that we wanted, the narration was pretty dope. I ain't gonna hold you. It does need work. Now, I don't expect to see, let's say, images of those things. That would be super impressive. It would instantly get a 10 if it got images from Midjourney, 11 Labs, and CapCut. But the fact that when they went to CapCut and it showed video editing, I give it that. I like the theme of how it gave the AI feel, and that it wasn't necessarily super boring. Okay? I was engaged. And I think maybe more, I could say maybe I was more engaged just because I was trying to see what it did, or do, however you want to say. I don't properly say anything right. But for that, I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. It still gets 4. Still gets 4. Still gets a 4 from me. But y'all let me know what you would give it.